Participate in the 5th Annual Wisconsin Chili Lunch, Thursday, February 22nd. The Wisconsin Chili Lunch is a fun and delicious annual event to celebrate Wisconsin's farm to school. Join the farm to institution movement and be part of the annual Wisconsin Chili Lunch. Each year, schools, education programs, hospitals, and communities across the state source Wisconsin-grown ingredients to prepare chili and serve on the 4th Thursday of February. Last year, 46 cafeterias from across the state participated and served up over 6,000 chili bowls. Support local farmers and vendors by adding carrots, meats, or cheese. The key is to source as many Wisconsin-grown products as you can. Register and you will receive newsletter updates throughout February with recipes, supply chain help, and get connected to other farm-to-institution efforts. Don't wait! Join the fun and celebrate Wisconsin-grown goodness this winter. Visit our website to register and download our Wisconsin Chili Lunch Guide.